Welcome and welcome back, my friends. Have you ever wondered how to elevate your eating habits and make them healthier? Today, we're going to explore 10 simple yet transformative habits that can change the way you approach food and nutrition. Firstly, eat mindfully. This is all about being completely present with your food, savoring each bite, and truly relishing the flavors. Imagine sitting down with a crisp, juicy apple. Close your eyes and take a bite. Feel the crunch, taste the sweetness, and experience the freshness. That's mindful eating. Next, make it a point to include vegetables in every meal. These are your nutrient powerhouses, providing you with essential vitamins and minerals. Whether you're sneaking spinach into your morning smoothie or roasting a medley of colorful veggies for dinner, there are endless ways to incorporate more greens into your day. Our third tip is to moderate your caffeine intake. Too much caffeine can disrupt your sleep and energy levels. Instead, why not try herbal teas or decaf alternatives in the afternoon? Tip 4. Opt for healthy snacking. Choose whole foods like fruits, nuts, or seeds over processed snacks. They provide sustained energy and help to keep those mid-afternoon hunger pangs at bay. Moving on to tip 5. Cook at home. This allows you to have more control over ingredients and portion sizes. Plus, it's a great skill to have. Tip 6. Limit your sugar intake. Hidden sugars are everywhere, from your morning cereal to your favorite salad dressing. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. The 7th tip is to plan your meals. This can help you make healthier choices and reduces the temptation to eat out or opt for fast food. Next up, listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry, and more importantly, stop when you're full. This is all about tuning into your body's natural cues and understanding what it needs. Our 9th tip is to stay balanced. Remember, nutrition isn't about perfection. It's about making better choices one meal at a time. Lastly, enjoy your food. Don't rush through meals, savor them and the company you're with. In summary, these 10 habits can help you elevate your nutrition and enjoy a healthier relationship with food. It's about mindful eating, including more vegetables, moderating caffeine, choosing healthy snacks, cooking at home, limiting sugar, planning meals, listening to your body, staying balanced, and enjoying your food. Remember, it's not about drastic changes, but making small, sustainable shifts in your eating habits that can have a big impact on your overall health. So are you ready to elevate your nutrition and embark on a healthier, tastier journey with food? Let's start together and make it better.